Okay, so we diagnosed a ticking noise on this '06 Malibu here, and we got this pin is stuck, doesn't even rotate. I can't twist that. We got a good one here out of another motor, same thing, but this one's good. It rotates, you can compress it, and if you look at the motor, we got it locked in place. That way we don't have to retime the engine. And we'll just put these back in after cleaning, put some assembly lube on it, and the engine will be good to go.